Look at my baby girl. Yes. Look at your face. Oh, it's my good girl. I'm so proud of you.
The heroes of the Penguins this year, particularly when it comes to shot blocking and taking on the best the other team has to offer. There are a lot of best here for Detroit. This is our lot for Pittsburgh.
One minute, please. Want one more? Oh, you do? Look at you. Oh, my girl. Oh, thank God. Baby girl, Penguin scored.
Rebound control matters for Chris Oster. This is not a very good job of rebound control end zone. Well, a turnover. The first goal, and now the second goal. Off the board by Brad Stewart, kept in by Evgeny.
Nothing is more beautiful than this little blossom eating. Look at their face. Look at that beautiful girl. May not be here for long, but I'll tell you what. She's living a lifetime's worth. She certainly is eating. My good girl. Oh, two? I don't think you should do two, honey. Well, that's kind of like piggish. Why don't you just have one at a time? You really need two? Okay. Oh, it's like big teeth. Honey.
Jersey Devils have to Marty Brodeur, 120 feet away. I think we named that from my old overline play years ago. It's become very fashionable and very safe.
I can't believe you ate two. Look at you. She's a dirty girl. And she had a bath today. Look, dirty girl. Dirty girl. Honey, the Red Wings scored. Pittsburgh came back and tied it. And you should see this little peanut. After like a week of boycotting Carrot Top, she just ate two of the stalks, one in each side of her mouth at the same time. Oh, look at that. Oh, so good. So good. There's my girl. One more. Thank you. Here. I'm going to chin it and save it for later. Okay. I'm waiting for like the big burp. She's a dirty girl. Say night-night. No? Oh! Say night-night.